Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can stop automatic updates in our Windows. So first of all, what you have to do is come below at the search bar, type in services. Select open. It will open up a page like this. In here, click on anywhere, then type in W. As you type in W, locate Windows Update. So right click onto it and select properties. Under general, make sure this startup type is set to manual. Once done, select OK and then apply. Now select recovery and under first failure, if it's on restart the service, select take no action. And once done, select OK and apply again. Now finally, again right click onto Windows Update. Then all you have to do is select properties again. You might see that running here, you're going to have to select stop and then select OK. Now restart your device and it will work. Thank you for watching.